Welcome to the Chopstick Guys Fortunate Question. The time that we answer questions. I'm just a goof. Time that we answer questions from you, the viewer, and we bake them into a fortune cookie every single time.
Yes.
And today's fortune cookie question will be...
It's my turn to figure out who it's
Grab
from.
the cookie from the special cookie holder.
Here it is.
What do we have?
There you go. Let's see who it's from
Slide
this
it
week.
down.
Let it be a good one. Let it be a good
so.
one. We've had great
We
questions the last few weeks, so appreciate you guys sending questions in. Keep sending them. Put them in the comments below, and we will try to answer them in one of these segments.
You can put his last name. From David Marsh.
Ooh, David Marsh.
From Northfield, California.
Northfield.
I've never even heard of Northfield, and I thought I heard of every town. But David Marsh. All right, David says, what is your favorite lens and why?
All right. I'm going to shock you, okay? Because you know that I'm going to... You're thinking,
I know
he's just
what you're
going to say
gonna
his
say.
Sigma 85 1.8
And you're
art
not?
lens. I'm not going to say that. And this is just one of those. This is kind of a throwback. I love my Nikon 80 to 200 2.8.
Why?
I think it's a very sharp lens. I've had other people tell me they believe that 80 to 200 is sharper than any of the 70-200s. The lens I have is that last year they made it. You know, it's not the push-pull one. And it's one of those lenses I still use all the time. It's in my bag because I can't break the thing. It's bulletproof. It's still razor sharp. It has incredible bokeh. I just love it.
Really?
80 to 200.
Not your 85?
Not my 85.
Wow.
I know.
I am shocked, everybody. Look at the look on my face. Because I've been making fun of Mark lately because...
But hasn't my 85 come off my camera this year?
No. We go out and shoot landscape stuff. And, we're not big landscape guys. We love landscape photography, but we're portrait guys. Mark takes out his 85 onto a landscape shoot. I'm like, you got to take that lens off your camera at one point.
I tried to shoot skateboarders yesterday with an 85 and realized really fast
It didn't work,
wrong
so.
lens.
But for me, my favorite lens actually is my 85. And I've got the cheap Nikon 85. I've got the 1.8 version, so I don't have the fancy
Still
1.4.
a great sharp
But
lens.
I'll tell you what I love about this thing. It is razor stinking sharp.
Yeah.
It was inexpensive. It was like $480. And believe it or not, it's plastic, right? It's not a metal lens.
Yeah.
What I like about it is the weight,
Yeah.
right? It weighs nothing. And it's so nice sometimes if you're shooting all day and shooting a portrait session especially, sometimes just that little bit of extra weight weighs down your arm.
Yeah.
This thing is great. It works so well.
So here's what's cool. Notice we never said what is these are the greatest lenses you should own.
Yeah,
the
of all
idea
time
is
and all.
what is my favorite lens? What is your favorite lens? You know what I want to know? I want to know what your favorite lens is.
Yes.
If you have a favorite lens, let us know in the comments down below. And then maybe even tell us why you think it's your favorite lens.
No, I think it's good. Can I give one more lens?
Okay.
That actually I really like. So we shoot a lot of stuff, and we shoot a lot of video, in fact, on a Tamron 35.
Yes.
Right? It's a VR lens. It's a really, really good lens. I am actually blown away with how sharp. In fact, you're
quality
looking
of
at
Tamron.
us on a
That's right.
Tamron lens right now, a Tamron 35. But how sharp this thing is. I took it out in San Francisco this weekend and took some landscape stuff with a 35, which may not be the best landscape lens, but wow.
Yeah.
It was blistering sharp too. So those are the two that I've been using just a lot
And the
lately.
cheapskate in me loves that fact that is a sharp lens because that is an affordable lens.
It is. So good job, Tamron. You're putting out some really, really good stuff.
Yeah.
But Mr. Marsh, thank you from Northfield. Again, let us know where Northfield is actually down below. I'm going to have to look it up on the map. But anyways, thanks again for sending in your question. It was a great question. But again, we want to hear from you. What is your favorite lens and why? But also, send in your questions below. If you do, we have a special gift for you, the Chopstick Guys kit, which includes chopsticks,
That's right.
a chopstick bowl, a wasabi bowl,
And your rests.
and a little chopstick rest.
So they can rest and take a nap.
But please like and subscribe to this channel. That's what keeps us going, and we appreciate all your feedback and your help. And as always, we ask that you don't forget to
Say sushi.
Till next time.